G'day viewers, well I've got the other two fans out of storage. Now all hooked up now. This old Hong Kong made late 80s White Master. This is the one I put apart ages ago and I was going to turn it into a wind turbine. I just reassembled it. I bet the outer rotor assembly. And squashed it back in. It spins freely. There's a bit of a scrape to it. That's because I mangled it a little bit before. That'll wear out. Not really worried about that. That's a nice high velocity fan just like the HPM one. There's the other one. That one's working nicely. This is awesome. Nice and cool in here. I kind of stuffed up the calculations there on my TPS, but oh well, it's off the grid. Ideally for Australian standards compliance, conduit oil on there, junction box, conduit. But yeah, there's an off the grid setup anyway, so piggyback 2 cords for the fans. That's the other 2. That's the first 2. Good old piggyback cord there with some Wagos. Excellent. It's a nice controlled cooling in here now. With the feet's not running, about 2 amps on the inverter. 20 amps off the batteries. Yeah, well, it'll be alright. They'll charge up. The sun's coming up, not going to stop. 3 energy and 3 cooling. 3 kilometre control for the shed. The next major project is putting the Swampy up. But it has to be on the grid because I haven't got a big enough inverter to run the Swampy. I could use a larger inverter to run that because this thing pulls 11 amps constantly on max. The motor and that. That'll have to run through an RCD anyway for safety, since there's water and electricity involved. Anyway, that's worked out good. Okay, well, now that those fans are keeping things cool, I'm a big fan of a cool workshop. I've been noticing my PC sometimes just shuts off randomly. I reseated the RAM, heatsink compared to the CPU. Just sometimes it just shut off for no reason. I couldn't find any, there's nothing recorded in the Windows Event Viewer. The Asus BIOS shows nothing. Haven't overclocked it or anything. I suspect it could be the motherboard in its way out, but I haven't really played this thing hard or cooked it or anything. It's just, it's all right now, but sometimes I'll be doing a video upload or something, or trying to edit a video, it'll just shut off on me. It's, at first it wouldn't turn on at all. It would turn on for 2 seconds and then shut off like there was a short somewhere. I've investigated everything and didn't find anything unusual. And it's working all right now, but it's weird. Seems all right, nice and stable now. It's not doing anything now. Just sometimes it'll do it randomly though. Bit of an annoying. Being a kick-ass PC, I don't really want to have to deal with any IT issues, so to speak. Even though I've got other computers I can use, I like this one because the Movie Maker works on it. I always use Windows Movie Maker because it's the easiest and it's the quickest. I do have Sony Vegas, that's good, but for some reason this machine and the other machines that I've got it runs on, it always just renders a stupidly large file. The video file, HD video, a 10-minute HD video file is like a terabyte size. Like, there's no need for that. There's no way it happens. Like, it's just some sort of glitch it's got. It's only a 1080p video in 8K or 16K, bloody hell. That's why I haven't bothered using Vegas, because I just can't figure out why it's rendering videos so damn ridiculously large. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.